Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to take you guys through how to create what we call a mail merge in Microsoft Word, how to use mail merge in Microsoft Word. So imagine you have an invitation letter that you want to distribute to about 30 to 50 people, and everyone's name has to be on that letter. Each person's name has to be customized on that letter. Maybe the person's name, the address and telephone number or something has to be on the letter. So what do? Are we supposed to rewrite the same letter 30 times or 50 times? No. We can use the mail merge to customize letters for everybody. So here I'm having a data in Microsoft Excel right now, an Excel file. I'm having about 50 names here. 51. I'm having about 50 names, their email, phone number, address, and the country that I want to send letters to. So how do we go about this mail merge? First, we will go to mailings. So here I'm having my letter here already. So we go to mailings, then we go to the start mail merge button. We go to step-by-step mail merge. That's the simplest. So we go to step-by-step mail merge wizard. So looking at this right side here, what are we working on? We are working on letters. So we go to next. So what are we using? We are using the current document we have here. We can choose to use a template, or we can, if we have an existing document already, we can choose that. So I'll use the current document here. Then we have a list already, but we can choose a list from our Outlook contacts. So if you have Outlook on your laptop that you have contacts on it, you can choose that, or you can type a new list. So when you go to type a new list, then choose create. You'll be given this cute dialog box here that you can type the names of the people you want to send the letter to. So here, maybe something like this, their number here, any number of people you want, you can type all of them there. But here I already have the data, so I am going to use an existing list. Now go to browse. Then I'll look for the data. So this is it. Open. So my data is in sheet 1, of course. Sheet 1, of course. So I'll just select OK. So this is my data. It states I have all my data here. I can sort out, I can take which one I want. But here I want to send the letter to everybody. So I want everybody's address on my letter. So I'll take OK. Then I'll go to next, write your letter. So here, first we will go with the address block. So the address block, this is how the address is going to look like for the first person. This is how the address is going to look like. So when you look at the second person address here, same way. So okay, so I'll put the address block here. Then I'll put the greeting line, maybe dear sir or something. I'll put that one here. So greeting line, dear Mr. Randall or something. So this is how it is going to display. Dear Alexander, dear Barton. Okay, so okay. Now what else are we supposed to insert? I think we are good to go. So I only need the address block and the greeting line. Then I'll go to preview your letters next. So this is the first what do we call it, recipient. So this is how it is going to display. Dr. Joseph Lambert, Miss Robert. So this is how their names are going to display and their countries in it. So here we can complete the merge. You can choose to print it straightforward if you have a printer connected, or you go to edit individual letters, then you choose all. Okay, so it will create a new document here with all the names of the individuals you want to send the letters to on each letter. So it has created multiple letters. So here you can see that every person's address is on it. So we are using the same letter, but we've customized it for different people. So this is how we use mail merge in Microsoft Word. Please do well to like and subscribe. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.